Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today we would like to introduce you the GASGAS 700 that belongs to the popular family of KTM 690 and Husqvarna 701 that we ride a lot and we like a lot, mainly because of its universality. You can have a lot of fun riding, for instance, the Hellas RADE or the Hispania RADE with it, but you can also take some luggage with you and you can enjoy the great BDR roads in US or the popular TED projects here in Europe. Or you can do big distance traveling in South Africa, for instance. We wanted to push this bike even farther, so we prepared several independent kits to make this bike even more convenient for the adventure riding and for the hobby rally riding. Let me speak about the fairing kit for the GASGAS 700. In a summary, it gives you wind protection, more space for your navigation devices, and strong road-legal LED headlights. This fairing kit was designed from the scratch to make the best match with this motorbike. We tried to design it as compact as possible, so it does not disturb the rider even in hard terrain, but on the other hand, we wanted to give him the devices in the best viewpoint to improve his orientation. And last but not least, we try to design it in a way that you have feeling like the fairing comes from the factory and belongs to the bike. The main differentiator of the RG fairing kit is the carbon tower. We have used our previous Dakar experiences to design it in a way that is stiff, stable, but it has also capability to absorb the vibrations. And on top of it, we try to make it as light as possible, and in the end the tower has only half kg, which helps a lot when handling the motorbike in a hard terrain, because we are speaking about something what is located in front and on the top of the motorbike. The carbon tower is made from carbon prepreg in autoclave under high pressure and temperature, so actually the same production technology as is used in aviation, Formula 1 or on factory ready bikes. To get the best combination of stiffness and low weight, we use variable amount of layers. The base are 3 carbon layers, and wherever you see the holes, we further reinforce this area. And especially here in the neck part, where we connect the tower to the motorbike, we use 8 layers of carbon, and the holes are well positioned because of stainless steel metal inserts. And one more remark. All the holes in the tower are coming from the mold. It means we don't disturb the structure of the material by drilling. We fully trust the quality and durability of the RG carbon tower, so we give you the lifetime warranty. In practice, it means even if you have bad luck, you crash it, you destroy it, so we will change it for you like this. The safety feature of our fairing kit are the strong LED headlights. They have input of 70 watts and 6000 lumens, which is more than double in comparison to the original halogen lamp. We get this high performance because of high quality KIT chipset and true glass optics. The headlights are road legal with ECE certification for the complete Europe, and you will get the copy of the certificate together with the fairing kit. Durability and endurance was very important parameter for us when designing this fairing kit, so we tried to select the materials and design it in a way that it's as much heavy duty as possible and will last for ages. The windshield as well as the side panels are made from Lexan, which is pretty flexible material, not easy to crack. The windshield holders sit on silent blocks that absorb the vibrations and some of the shocks. In the end, the fairing kit is very stable, even if you ride on stones or corrugations. But on the other hand, it has good portion of flexibility, so it will survive many of your crashes. Because we travel a lot on these motorbikes ourselves, so we know how important it is to have enough space for the navigation devices. That's why our fairing kit comes with a wide crossbar. And the crossbar is mounted on the silent blocks that reduce the micro vibrations and protect your devices. To simplify the installation of your devices to the crossbar, you get in a set so-called Garmin adapter, which is actually a platform with the dimensions directly compatible with the RAM mount or the Garmin holders. So it's very easy, just bolt on to the crossbar. The platform can be installed in 3 different positions, 1 horizontal or 2 vertical position. It means you can always set your device in the best viewpoint. As you can see, in a cockpit can fit in a good viewpoint the big tablet or the handset next to a Garmin device. And one more benefit you get with the RG fairing kit. It's the adapter for the Scott's damper. So if you have it, you simply bolt on and you improve the handling of the motorbike when riding in sand, rocks or muddy terrain. With the GASGAS RG fairing kit, in daily use you should feel more comfortable on the road transfers because of the windshield, more safe when riding at the night, and never get lost having the navigation under your nose. And moreover, it's all wrapped in attractive RADE design, so you can feel like a pro rider even on your adventure trips. Guys, if you like it, please order on our eShop and we will be more than happy to send you one quickly.